I was surprised by a number of things. Probably the most surprising surprise is that I easily and quickly broke 3 crayons. Boom, boom. Some crayons are very obviously broken, like these 2, the green and the yellow. You can tell. Gosh, Julie, you broke it. Ah! And then there are crayons like this one. It's broken too. But it doesn't really show that it's broken. This not obviously broken crayon is the one that I can relate to the most. It's kind of like me. People don't realize that I'm broken because I smile a lot and I seem pretty happy is the word that got cut off. But right in the middle, there is a break. And if you add much pressure, this crayon will start to look like one of these crayons. Do you ever feel like one of these broken crayons?